the H2O, Spice H2O, the adults only area. For the time, they have a water feature. It's actually on right now. Last time I was here, it was not on. Kind of nice. How's my first hair look, honey?
You know, honey, you just shouldn't care. They should make a catchphrase out of that.
I think somebody should. How would it
Bruce
go?
here, don't care, maybe would be a good option.
Maybe?
I just riffing off the top of my head.
Alright. I just can't get sick of this view right here. Seriously. Amazing. I just can't even believe I'm here. I know, I've never been on a cruise. Alright, do you guys want to see the ocean or what? I bet you do. Whoop! Alright, you guys. Who wants to see that, right? This is why we cruise. See stuff like that. Alright, goodbye, Spice H2O. We're going somewhere else, I'm not sure where. So we're gonna have some more fun. Looks like Pictionary. I was hoping to find some spots in the trivia, you know, for the atrium here. Nice big area, but there's actually a lot of people here.
What is she looking for? It's okay. Alright. Are you ready, Latavia? Yes, sorry. You're too.
There's the sun and the ocean and the blue sky. One of the best things on a cruise ship by far is just enjoying the ocean and the sun and outside. So anyway, I am still trying to find some spots for trivia. Apparently, you know, people really like Pictionary. I think that's what it is. So yeah, we'll find a spot though. We will. We still have a good half hour before we have to sit down. So I'm pretty confident we'll be okay.
Yeah. It's named this awesome, the 80's movies. So go ahead and write it down. Awesome 80's movie.
Easy.
What can it be?
Everybody's seen this, right?
Right now. Who's winning? I like it. They're like multi-talented right now.
I'm glad they put video games in there. That's awesome. Did you see that? How well would you do, right? Pretty awesome.
Number 3, here we go. It's right there. So November 17, 19.
Table.
All right, who's VIP and who's the winners here?
Well, VIP is Carl.
I just want to know.
Brian won that.
I know. Without Baby Be Mine, we would not have had that. Brian, good job. See, your past has paid off.
Yeah.
I think they made a movie about it called Brian's Song.
Right, Brian's song. All right, we are headed to Los Lobos. It's so exciting. Yes, it is, and I can't wait. This is going to be so yummy. All right, we're on stage now, you guys. See? Stage. Me. Let me show you what we won here. Trivia does not get you a ship on a stick, but you do get a koozie for your cold beverage of choice.
It's a koozie, not on a stick.
It's a koozie on a stick.
Not on a stick.
I'm going to put it on a stick.
Oh, man, that's a good idea.
There
Hey,
you go.
you should start a
Hey.
trophy collection.
It's
Have
a
some
koozie
sticks and
on
put
a
the
stick.
Koozie on it. That's a great idea. Carl, what would you think? Does that count?
We're at Los Lobos, and there's the ocean right there, right behind you.
Yes, right back.
Right back there. We're at group dinner tonight. Part of the Sea Cruisers group. There's Donna. Hello. Hey, and everyone else.
Who's ready for a little Mexican?
I can't wait. This is gonna be my favorite meal ever. So what do you got there, Brian?
This is a tequila old fashioned.
Ooh,
I didn't know they could make. I didn't know they made tequila old fashions. The Patron is smooth.
Patron.
It's delicious.
There's lime in there.
Wow.
Is that good?
If you like tequila, get that. No roughness to it. No.
Is that better than bourbon or whiskey?
If you weren't recording this, I might give you an answer. But I'm going to say no, bourbon is better.
But you like it.
Woodford would be preferred.
I like tequila better anyway.
But you like
That
it.
is wonderful. Oh, get that. Get that, yeah.
And Donna got a really fancy fun drink right here.
I had the waitress pick it
Yeah,
out.
you're going to love
It's so
that.
pretty.
Like yeah.
Aha, yes.
You know, when you,
One of the things you'll notice here is that there's not a whole bunch of chasers. So Josh Halstead probably, you know, this would not be good for him. Michelle, she would be cool with this, but Josh, not enough chasers.
No chasers. Sorry, man.
Oh, thank you.
Look at that. Holy cow.
Anyone else order cases?
You didn't order tacos. Look at those. Those look pretty good.
Ryan, try one of these. It's mahi mahi.
it's just a little, this is just a little bite or two.
Yeah.
A tiny little bite. Come on, she wants me to take
An
one.
appetizer
Here,
here.
take
All
one.
right, I'll grab one. Wow.
All right. All right, we got some amazing stuff here. I have a cheese quesadilla. Whoops. I'm dropping stuff everywhere. This is vegetarian with some stuff. Okay, I have to say that the cheese quesadilla, this is gluten-free, and this is amazing. Lobos is my top restaurant in Norwegian ships. Brian, I just want to know what you think because I know you have experienced a lot of restaurants, so tell me what you
I think
think.
it's really good. It's certainly worth having.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's not my favorite, but
Okay.
there's nothing wrong with it. It's very, very good.
All right, I think I'm getting some vegetarian tacos, I think. Although my appetizer filled me up, so I don't even probably need a meal, but I won't tell them because they've already prepared it, so.
Here it comes.
Anyway, here it is. Thank you so much. And look at that, what timing, right? Look at what we got here.
You're already full and you have 3 tacos to eat.
I don't think I can eat that at all. I'm gonna try it anyway, but I don't think I can eat all of them. All right, so we finally finished dinner. I don't know, hopefully you can see me here, but we had our server tonight. She's so sweet. Her name is Puerta, and we're at Los Cabos, and we're gonna give her a little thank you card. So, oops. So, hopefully she'll come back so I can give it to her.
People like that.
Oh, hey! All right, so, you know, we've had a big meal. I could not at all finish anything that I had. But they talked me into dessert. And I don't know, I don't usually have dessert. So I just wanted to show you what I was going to have. It's amazing. You won't believe this.
Hey, show us.
All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
You want to see this, right? I know you do. Okay, this is my dessert. This is a Riesling wine, and it's delicious. And it's my dessert tonight, so that'll be delicious. All right, this is dessert. This is what we call dessert. What is it? I don't even know.
It's a coconut cake.
Okay. Coconut.
The cake comes with an annoyance.
It's mysterious. I hope you like it. That you have right there.
It's like soaked. You see, it's wet.
Yeah.
It's wet cake.
Pretty good though. Okay, so I asked Brian what his favorite restaurants are. Of all the ones we had a couple new ones now here on the Norwegian Bliss. We have new ones, the Q and Los Lobos. And Brian ranked all the restaurants here. Okay, help me remember. What did you say again?
I said teppanyaki.
Teppanyaki is number 1.
Yeah.
And then Q is number 2.
Q.
And Moderno is number 3.
But she didn't let me choose Margaritaville. She said that was up.
Yeah, I was talking like specialty stuff, but so that is his list. But obviously Margaritaville is his probably most favorite of all. Well, here's our, look at someone did an X and O.
You gotta block this one.
Here?
Well, of course. I don't know why there's 2 X's and only no O's.
Okay. Here we go. Oh, look it. He thought of us with a little... Alright, so we're looking at the new ship that we got from the store. Look at this little cute thing. This model for the Norwegian Bliss. It's going to look great on our shelf. Great little souvenir. And this one was $50, I think, right? But our little collection. That's our kind of a souvenir. I like to bring candy dishes for our steward, and I put a little note on here just to make sure that they know they can take some. So that is something I like to do. But anyway, today's been quite a big day, you know, and we still have a lot of stuff going on. Unfortunately, with tonight we have an 80s dance party at 11 p.m. and I didn't bring any 80s anything like leg warmers or t-shirts or anything like that. So unfortunately we're just gonna have to go as we are, but we are hoping that we'll make it till after 11 so we can kind of see the happenings down or up there on Spice H2O. So anyway, it's been a really nice fun day. We're gonna go do some games with our friends and see what else we can find. So anyway, tomorrow is gonna be awesome. It's St. Thomas. We have a tour. We have a 5-hour tour happening, and we're gonna go to Megan's Bay and a bunch of different like lookouts and shops and things. So I'm really excited. I haven't been there in so long, and I'm just really looking forward to it. So that's pretty much it for tonight. I hope we have a few other things, but just wanted to fill you in on where we are on our cruise. So all right, we'll catch ya later. That's all right, we'll be able to play bowling. Dang.
Oh, that's okay, they pull them up. Yeah. Oh. That's good. Real good. We had 15 seconds on another ship.
No, 30.
30's funny.
Whoops.
We got a gun ball.
I was just practicing.
You ready on this? Oh, fair! We gave her 9. The sensor didn't work.
Hey, got that.
On the wire.
Woo, woo. Good Donna.
Oh.
It's all right, she's just warming up. It's all right. Don't panic. We got this. Oh my God. Wow, yeah.
Five.
How many swings do we have here? Who wants? I don't want to bowl extra. Let's see you bowl extra. This is practice. This doesn't count. If he gets all points, it doesn't count.
Oh, okay.
I think we know.
No,
Right.
right.
So now it's.
Good one, Carl.
That was funny. You can just hold the camera.
Okay, here we go. No, I'm good. Yeah! Woo! All right.
Pretty good.
So bowling is $6 a game per person.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Each player has to swipe their card, and you have a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
We're gonna make a great game out of it.
That's the real one you really want, right? All right. Just a review on our score here. We got Brian at 16. That's Carl, 13, Deb at 17, and Donna at 17, and Carl again at 30.
No, that's not Carl, that's the ghost. That's the player.
Ah! Got her ball.
Oh, you weren't recording
I
it.
was not.
No, that didn't
So it didn't happen?
It didn't happen.
Yeah, right.
No,
Right?
it didn't happen.
This is quite a great day. My goodness, crazy here, all over the place today. But it's about 10:30 or so, and there's a 80s party at 11, so we're hoping that we're going to be able to go up and do that. We're back in the room right now. We played bowling with Donna and Carl, and a full day of stuff, all that stuff. So anyway, we are just gonna wait in our room for a little while, and hopefully we feel up to going up to the 80s party, and if not, that's okay. Tomorrow is a big day. We have St. Thomas. We're going to be doing an island tour and going to the beach there, so that's going to be a lot of fun. So I'm glad you're along. We'll check it out.
Alright, you know the line, so you better sing. Here we go, come on. Hey, Jumbo, we want it always go. Oh, Jumbo, sing. Come on. Here we go. Hi, Deb. You guys see me go? Hold on to what we got. You got to make a difference in the